At DCR Systems, we design and manufacture ethical, non-structural, cosmetic wheel repair equipment that help businesses repair wheels faster, safer, and more profitability. Every repair starts with safe wheel removal using plastic-coated alloy wheel sockets, protecting the wheel from damage right from the start. Our Lithematic then takes the strain, allowing a single technician to move the wheels effortlessly across all workstations. The wheel is then placed into our H2O blaster. This powerful system removes brake dust and contamination, while keying the surface to a perfect matte finish, ensuring outstanding paint adhesion and consistent results every time. Once the wheel has been blasted, we use the internal rinser using fresh water within the machine to clean the wheel, and then we use the air blower to dry off the excess water. For the next step, the tyre is deflated and the bead is broken on both sides. Our unique process keeps the tyre on the wheel, dramatically reducing turnaround time and eliminating the risk of damaging the wheel during refitting the tyre. A full visual inspection is carried out across the wheel. We're looking to determine what kind of cut depth do we require to remove the damage, and is any of the paint surface and colour broken? Will we need to recolour it or just use the clear coat to protect the wheel after the diamond cutting? As we're working on a diamond cut wheel, we move across to the DCR Pro. The wheel is then positioned within the chuck and the chuck jaws need to be tightened. This is an essential part of the process to make sure the wheel is secure when spinning out the wheel. Once the chuck jaws have been tightened, we do a double check to make sure it's nice and tight. Once secured in the chuck, a visual buckle check is performed. With potholes being one of the most common causes of buckles in wheels today, this step is critical for quality control. We then profile the wheel. Using an undamaged spoke, our laser captures the exact factory profile in just 30 to 45 seconds, depending on the spoke size. A dry cut follows, with a cutting tool tracking the profile just above the surface, guaranteeing accuracy before the material is removed. The final stage removes the damage. Depending on the wheel size and severity, this typically takes between 10 and 20 minutes, delivering a precision finish that matches original manufacturer's standards. Whilst removing the wheel from the chuck, we need to ensure that we do not touch the surface that has just been diamond cut. There can be contaminants within your hands that can cause us issues in the painting process. The wheel is then masked in preparation for the paint process. This includes the tyre valve and bolt holes. In this video, we're using our patented Paintmatic, our fully automated wheel painting system. Paintmatic is designed to deliver professional results while removing the need for highly skilled paint technicians. We place a cone in the centre of the wheel to assist us in centering the wheel with our laser. Once we're happy we have the correct centre point for the wheel, we remove the cone, select the correct wheel size and press the load paint button which will bring the gun head to the load paint position. The paint is now poured into a mixing cup, mixed together, and then poured into our Paintmatic applicator pot. We attach the paint pot to the spray gun. You then attach the spray gun to the gun head. It's important to select the correct wheel height because the gun head needs to be from the correct distance from the wheel. Adjust it if required. Select the paint brand. Choose are we painting colour or the clear coat. Then select the type of finish of the clear coat. This one is a gloss. And then we have a choice of a basic or more complex wheel. Generally basic is up to 5 spokes. Anything above 5 spokes would be a complex. We now purge the gun. This puts paint to the tip of the gun, ready for the next step. When we're happy, we press paint and the gun head starts to paint the wheel. Paintmatic has been programmed to be able to paint all variations of wheel size, spoke size, depths of wheels and complexities. Once the paint process has been completed, we now need to clean the spray gun. Pressing the clean spray gun button will bring the gun into the load cleaning fluid position. Cleaning fluid is then attached to the spray gun. Spray gun is reattached to the gun mounting head. Clean button is pressed, and this will perform a 45-second cleaning process of the gun. Once the cleaning process has been complete, we remove the spray gun, and now we can cure the wheel within Paintmatic. By pressing the cure button, this will bring out an infrared lamp on an actuator. The wheel will rotate for the preset curing time. Within our system we've got the heat and cure booth. This has been designed to free up the Paintmatic on the cure process, which can take around 15 minutes. So removing the wheel with our Liftmatic, moving across to heat and cure. Heat and cure comes with 2 infrared lights and a lower curing zone for warming the wheel for preheat. Once the wheel has been loaded into heat and cure, close the door, turn on the infrared lights. PLC controller ensures precise, repeatable curing cycles, every wheel, every time. The wheel is removed from heat and cure. Masking is removed from the tyre. Valve reinserted. Centre cap put in place. And remove the locking nut bolt hole protectors. Reinflate the tyre to the correct tyre pressure. and refit back on car. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see how DCR Systems can be integrated into your business, then contact us at hello@dcrsystems.co.uk or visit our website dcrsystems.co.uk.